Harnessing AI for Universal Accessibility, Innovations for an Inclusive Future by Mauve Sanger. Introduction. In an era where technology shapes the very fabric of society, technology stands as a cornerstone, influencing every aspect of daily life and holding the power to unite or divide. At the heart of technological evolution, artificial intelligence, AI, emerges as a beacon of hope, offering a bridge over the chasms of exclusion that have long plagued our societies. This era of digital innovation brings with it a promise that the digital world can be a place of equality, where the barriers that once defined the limits of what individuals with disabilities could achieve become relics of the past. Integrating AI into our digital infrastructure presents an opportunity to reimagine accessibility. No longer confined to the physical world, accessibility challenges extend into the virtual, where websites, apps, and digital platforms become the new terrain to navigate. AI's role in this landscape is transformative. Equipped with the potential to customize experiences, anticipate needs, and remove obstacles with precision and empathy. This vision for the future does not simply aspire to include everyone in the digital age, it demands it. It posits technology as a universal language of empowerment, capable of transcending the limitations imposed by disability. By harnessing AI, we stand on the cusp of a paradigm shift where technology's capacity to segregate is overpowered by its ability to unite. It invites us to envision a world where technology is, by default, inclusive, designed from the outset to be navigable and useful for all, marking the end of the digital divide. Such a future is not just aspirational, it is essential. It acknowledges that in the vast digital expanse, accessibility is not an added feature, but a foundational principle. As we delve deeper into the realm of AI and explore its capabilities, we embark on a journey to fulfill technology's true potential, to serve as a bridge to a more inclusive, equitable digital society where no individual is left behind and every person has the opportunity to thrive. Understanding accessibility in technology. Delving into the essence of accessibility within the technological domain reveals a commitment to inclusivity and empowerment. Accessibility transcends the mere provision of auxiliary aids or the retrofitting of existing platforms. It represents a paradigm where every digital touchpoint is conceived and constructed with the full spectrum of human diversity in mind. It's a recognition that individuals interact with technology in myriad ways, shaped by the unique challenges they face, whether visual, auditory, mobility, or cognitive. In this inclusive vision, technology becomes a versatile tool, molded and adapted to meet diverse needs, ensuring that everyone can harness its full potential regardless of their abilities. This commitment is crucial in a world where digital access equates to societal participation, where being digitally sidelined means missing out on education, employment, social engagement, and the vast knowledge repository the Internet represents. The concept of accessibility in technology is underpinned by principles that advocate for universal design. This design philosophy advocates for creating products and environments accessible to all people, to the greatest extent possible, without needing adaptation or specialized design. This approach not only benefits individuals with disabilities, but enhances the user experience for all, embodying the ethos of inclusivity at every level of interaction. Legislation and guidelines, such as the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines, WCAG, set the standard for accessible design, offering developers and content creators a framework to make their work accessible. However, the challenge lies not in the availability of these guidelines, but in their implementation. It calls for a cultural shift in how technology is envisioned, developed, and deployed, a shift towards viewing accessibility not as an obligation, but as an opportunity to innovate and expand the reach of digital advancements. The imperative for accessible technology has never been more apparent. It is not just about accommodating a segment of the population, but about building a digital world that embodies the principles of equality and inclusion, where everyone can easily navigate, understand, and interact with digital content. This journey towards universal accessibility is not a solo venture, but a collective endeavor, requiring technologists, designers, policymakers, and users' commitment and creativity. AI and assistive technologies, a new dawn of inclusivity. The dawn of artificial intelligence, AI, has ushered in a revolutionary era for assistive technologies, transforming them from mere tools into intelligent companions attuned to the unique needs and environments of users. This seismic shift is not just about technological advancement, it's about redefining the boundaries of independence for individuals with disabilities, offering them new avenues to interact with the world around them. Smart assistive devices, bridging gaps with intelligence. In the vanguard of this revolution are smart assistive devices, where AI serves as the brain behind innovations designed to simplify daily tasks. Voice-activated home assistants, for example, have become indispensable for individuals with mobility issues, allowing them to control their environment with simple commands. These devices do more than follow orders. They learn from interactions, adapting to provide more personalized assistance. Similarly, smart glasses with AI-driven real-time object recognition have opened a new world for the visually impaired. Converting visual information into audio feedback allows users to see their environment with their ears, making navigation and object identification seamless and intuitive. Furthermore, AI-enhanced hearing aids are pioneering how we think about hearing loss, using sophisticated algorithms to filter out background noise and enhance speech, making every conversation clearer. AI for mobility and navigation, paving the way to freedom. Mobility and navigation represent another arena where AI is making significant strides. AI-driven wheelchairs, capable of autonomous navigation, promise an unprecedented level of freedom and safety, offering users the ability to explore their surroundings with confidence. These wheelchairs navigate obstacles and learn from their environment, optimizing routes over time. For those with visual impairments, AI-enhanced navigation apps have mitigated the challenge of navigating public spaces. These tools provide real-time, audio-based directions and alerts, transforming potentially daunting journeys into manageable adventures. They exemplify how AI can extend the sense of sight through sound, making cities and spaces more accessible. AI in communication and learning, unlocking potential. Communication and learning have also been profoundly impacted by AI. Advances in speech recognition software have been a game changer for individuals with speech impairments, offering an accuracy in detection and response that was previously unattainable. This technology does not just recognize speech. It understands context, learning to distinguish between nuances over time. In education, AI is democratizing learning experiences for students with disabilities. Adaptive learning technologies tailor educational content to individual needs, accommodating different learning styles and paces. This personalized approach ensures that education is not just accessible, but also equitable, enabling every student to reach their potential. AI's role in assistive technologies is transformative. By making daily tasks more manageable, navigation safer, communication clearer, and education more accessible, AI is not just assisting individuals with disabilities, it's empowering them. This journey towards inclusivity is only beginning. but with every stride, we move closer to a world where technology knows no bounds and accessibility is ingrained in every innovation. Navigating the ethical terrain, the challenge of bias and ethics in AI. As the horizon of artificial intelligence (AI) expands, its potential to redefine accessibility unfolds with each advancement. Yet, the journey is not without its obstacles. Central to the ethical deployment of AI technologies is the imperative to mitigate bias and uphold ethical standards. This challenge is not merely technical, it is fundamentally human, necessitating a conscientious approach to developing and implementing AI solutions. The ethical imperative, ensuring fairness and equity. At the core of the ethical debate surrounding AI is the known and unknown bias issue that can be embedded within AI algorithms. If left unchecked, these biases can perpetuate discrimination, exacerbating inequalities rather than alleviating them. The commitment to developing AI ethically thus involves a meticulous examination of these technologies, ensuring they serve to empower rather than exclude. This means identifying and correcting biases and embedding ethical considerations into the fabric of AI development. Inclusive design, a pillar of ethical AI. Inclusive design emerges as a pivotal principle in this ethical landscape, advocating for solutions that are accessible and equitable by design. It calls for a shift in perspective, where diverse user needs are not an afterthought but a foundational element of the AI development process. This approach ensures that AI technologies are technically proficient and deeply attuned to the rich tapestry of human diversity. The role of developers and companies, champions of accessibility. Developers and companies stand at the forefront of shaping an accessible future with AI. The growing call for these stakeholders to prioritize accessibility and inclusivity reflects a broader societal demand for technology that serves all. This involves integrating accessibility considerations from the outset of AI projects and maintaining this focus throughout the development lifecycle. By doing so, companies and developers can lead the charge in demonstrating how technology can be a force for inclusivity. The power of collaboration, forging pathways to inclusion. Yet, creating truly inclusive AI solutions is not a solitary endeavor. It thrives on collaboration, drawing together the expertise and insights of tech companies, disability advocates, and end users. This collaborative approach ensures that AI technologies are not developed in isolation, but are informed by the lived experiences of those they aim to serve. Such partnerships are instrumental in fine-tuning AI technologies, ensuring they meet the real-world needs of diverse populations. Conclusion. The path towards a more accessible future with AI is paved with promise and challenges. As we navigate this ethical terrain, the commitment to bias mitigation, ethical development, and inclusive design is a beacon guiding our way. By embracing the roles of developers, companies, and the collaborative power of diverse stakeholders, we can unlock the full potential of AI as a catalyst for accessibility. This journey is one of continuous learning and adaptation. Still, it promises a future where technology truly belongs to everyone, embodying the principles of fairness, equity, and inclusivity. Thank you for visiting today and stay safe.